River. As you can see, that was the old church, Anglican church. That's the police station over there. This is where you have the Chinese store and the supermarket behind us. When you look over there, that's the market. And all those places are damaged. We don't even have any clothes. This is our situation at hand right now. And we are pleading for help because we need help. We are basically stuck in Black River and we cannot come out. Look, if you look around, everybody's trying to survive. This is survival mode. But most importantly right now, we're just telling Master God thanks that we are alive and we have endured the worst. So when you think your situation is worse, remember there's somebody else that is going through a worse situation than you. So let us give thanks in all that we're doing. Big up Daddy Jesus.
Ready? We are standing on the Black River Bridge. This is the main bridge which connects the road coming from the southern part of the parish that takes you into the capital. There have been rumors that the bridge had collapsed. From our observation, the bridge is intact. It will overtake the experts in terms of the engineers to determine whether or not any of the structures have been compromised. But as it is now, the bridge is still intact. The roads leading to and from the bridge on either end, they are also still blocked at this location, but the structure of the bridge remains intact. All right. Yeah.
Look up on TV too, yeah, man. Look on TV too. Waterloo guest house. Mash up. Now go and go.
Nobody can cross it.
Nobody can.
You got to understand it to cross it. Cross it. I mean, come.
Yeah.
What?
Hey. This is High Street, the major road leading to the Black River Hospital.
Throw some water, catch it by you are black man, no one of them.
Yo, look, come in, come in, come do a pump, man. We don't want the ambulance, too. 1, 2, 3. Go to your right, go to your right.
Don't push it, man, push.
But a week of other one. Yo, look at that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3, push.
This is the seawall that was built, and the waves effectively took out the wall. Even though there was a buffer, the entire wall is down.